Good morning and welcome, dear students. Today I am going to share you video regarding examination specification for class 11th English core. So dear students, you are having English core. Your code of English is 301. You can see this is for class 11th and I am telling you some specification. Uh, you must know what to prepare and how to prepare. So dear students, in exam you will have reading section and this is part 1. In this part you will have objective based questions. There is change in the pattern of exam. In part 1 you can see this is of 40 marks. In part B also 40 marks, same distribution here. And in this part you will have MCQs based questions. One unseen passage to assess your comprehension, understanding skill, your vocabulary will be assessed. In this passage you will have 11 questions, but you have to attempt 10 questions out of 11. Before attempting your paper, you have to read the question paper very carefully. In first part you will have 11 questions, but you have to attempt 10 out of 11. 1 mark each. It means this will be of 10 marks. And there will be one more MCQ based passage, unseen passage. In second passage, there will be 9 questions, but you have to attempt 8 questions. 8 out of 9 questions to be done, that is 1 mark each. 8 out of 9. There will be 9 questions, 1 mark each. So these two passages, they will be of 10 plus 8, 18 marks passage. And next part, you will have grammar section. In your grammar, third question, MCQ questions on gap filling, determiners, tenses. Fourth question, MCQs questions reordering the sentences, transformation of sentences. So these questions, total 8 questions to be done out of 10. 8 questions you have to do out of 10. They will be of 8 marks each. Next comes literature section, 5th question. MCQ based questions from extract from poetry, from Hornbill to assess comprehension and appreciation. Any one out of 2 extract to be done, 1 mark each. Poetry section, MCQs questions based on 2 prose extracts. Out of these 2, out of the 3 given from prose, as well as snapshots to assess comprehension and appreciation. Dear students, don't be confused. In 5th question, you will have 2 extracts from poetry, but you have to attempt any one. 1 mark each. In question number 6, you will have 2 prose extracts. आपके स्टोरीज से 2 extracts मिलेंगे. Hornbill and snapshots from both books, but you have to attempt any 2. 3 will be given, but you have to out of the 3 given from prose. So 1 mark each. 6 into 1, 6 marks. Text-based MCQs to assess comprehension. Seventh question from prose and poetry. 5 questions out of 6 to be done. You will have 6 questions, but you have to done 5 out of 6. So 1 mark each. So this is objective type questions you will find in your A part. Now I am moving ahead part B. Part B will be also of the same marks, 40 marks. Part B, that will be of subjective, note making and summarization based on a passage. In the next video, I will explain you how to make notes. Note making this will be of 5 marks portion. In this, unseen passage will be given. You have to write suitable title according to the passage. Numbering and indenting, proper numbering should be there. After that, you have to make key of abbreviation, and notes will be of notes and summary. You have to summarize the passage in about 50 words. This is the B part, and this will be of 3 marks. And total 5 marks portion will be of note making. You have to make any 2 points in notes. And in writing section will be of 16 marks. Short writing task, notice writing, word limit 50. 1 out of the 2 given questions, but you have to answer any one. Format, you will get 1 mark. For content, you will get 1 mark. And for expression, again you will get 1 mark. So this will be of 3 marks portion. Next, moving ahead, question number 3, short writing task. In short writing task, poster writing, and word limit of poster writing is 50. This is third question. Poster 50 words. Out of 2 given questions to be answered, 3 marks. Format 1 mark, content 1, expression 1. Next question, letter writing, and word limit is 120 to 150. Business, official letters, making inquiry, complaints, asking for and giving information, placing order, sending reply, letter to the school, college authorities, school issue, requirement, suitability of courses, etc. So this will be of 5 marks portion. 1 mark for format, 2 marks for content, and for expression you will have 2 marks. In question number 5, you will have speech or debate, theme should be contemporary, topic issues, any current topic. Out of the 2 questions, you have to answer any one. For format, you will get 1 mark, content 2, expression 2, and this will be of 5 marks portion. Next comes literature section. This will be of 16 marks. 2 short answer type questions will be given, 1 from prose and 1 from poetry, from the book Horneville. Out of 4 to be answered in 30 to 40 words. 2 into 2. It means you have to attempt any 2 out of 4. 2 marks each. Question number 7. 1 short answer type questions from prose, snapshots, to be answered in 40 to 50 words. This is 40 to 50. Question should elicit to the point, short, Any one out of two questions to be done. Any one out of two questions to be done. This is 2 marks. One long answer type questions from prose, poetry, Hornbill. Whole portion to be answered in 120 to 150 words. Any one out of two questions to be done. This will be of 5 marks. Question number 9. Based on the chapters from books, book snapshot to be answered. ये question number 8 Hornbill से है. You can see question number 9 from snapshot. Word limit is same, 120 to 150 words. So long answer based questions 5 marks each. 5 marks question number 8 and 5 marks question number 9. And this is the deleted portion. Students, you must know which things you have to prepare. Deleted advertisement, now they are not in your syllabus. Earlier they were in syllabus. Classified advertisement, now they are not in your syllabus. Letter to the editor, this is in class 12th but not in your class. And next, application for job, this is in class 12th, not in your syllabus. And next, models change of voice, narrative, error correction, editing task. This is not in your syllabus. Now this portion has been deleted from the board. And in literature, Hornbill, poem Father to Son, The Adventure, now they are not in your syllabus. The Ghat of the Only Word, Tale of Malan City, deleted from your syllabus. And prescribed books in your syllabus are Hornbill from NCERT publication, and next is snapshots, supplementary reader published by NCERT, question paper design 2020-21, English course, section competencies, total marks. So reading, writing, grammar and literature portion you will get 80 marks written and 20 marks your internal assessment, your speaking skills. So dear students, whatever the assessments I am sending, you have to do for practice in A4 sheet and you have to submit. That is the part of your assessment and performance. Keep watching my videos. If any confusion, you can ask me. I have already shared the PDF of examination specification. I hope you can understand well. Thank you. Have a good day.